All right, hello and welcome to the weather update for December 8th, 2018. And the temperatures are dropping really fast out there. And I do want to talk about that. But first, before we talk about that, we're going to talk about the skies today, which, again, we had some patchy cloudiness, a little less than I thought, particularly over the east end. So we would have had some clear sky, but there was a good amount of clouds, and it was quite windy today, too. Looking at the current conditions, the winds are dropping off though. So this doesn't tell you. This tells you pretty much temperatures are in the upper 20s right now. However, there's a good deal of radiational cooling going on, so that's what I want to talk about. And some areas, particularly in the Pine Barrens, are getting very cold, 17 degrees. This temperature, as long as the sky stays mostly clear and the winds are calm, the temperature is probably going to go down to what the dew point is, so 10. It's probably going to get close down to 10 at West Hampton, maybe even a little colder than that. So it'll be interesting to see. It's going to be a very cold night in the Pine Barrens. It's usually what happens during this setup. West of Toms River, it's 21. Dew point's a little higher, though, so it probably won't get quite as cold as West Hampton is usually always the colder Pine Barrens versus New Jersey. 17 degrees, so it is going to drop, and even the Weather Service forecasts a low reaching around 12 degrees. Now tomorrow we're going to have some clouds around. We'll talk about that when we look at the models. We're going to actually look at the Ventus sky today. We won't be looking at the other models. We're going to be looking at the Ventus sky to show you the cloud situation. And I just want to go over that. This won't be that long of a weather update. You'll do total cloud cover. So today you can see there were a lot of clouds around. You can see some, like I said, it was patchy. But I'm looking at tomorrow. Let's use this model for a change. The cloud cover. Alright, so yeah, it has us pretty much overcast for tomorrow. So you can see it has us all in the white. So it looks like it will cloud up. Yeah, it has the high clouds just rolling in. And this is because of a system off to the south of us. Yeah, it has the high clouds rolling in. So, and then they start clearing up by 11. So by 11 you see this area of clouds trying to move away. Once we go into Monday, you see it will be clear again. So hopefully Monday will be a clear day. Yeah, it clears it out. Hopefully. This model seems a little off. You know what? We're gonna have to use the regular model. This model seems off. I know that's not what the proper output is. That's why I don't use that site for the forecast models. It's good to get a look as to what's going on, but I prefer looking at the actual computer models. From this site instead, the tropical tidbits. So yeah, we have to talk about that storm moving to the south of us. See, it stays to the south, and then we have. I'm not going to go over the whole week outlook because I did that yesterday. Not a lot has changed. I just want to talk about the cloud situation. That's the main thing. When will we be seeing some clear skies? So yeah, you could see here the GFS. These high clouds kind of come in and kind of stay over us and then get pushed to the south on Monday. So they get pushed to the south on Monday, and then Monday we should have a clear day. Tuesday we might have some more clouds come in, and Wednesday, not certain about that yet, but hopefully we can have at least one clear day, because we really haven't. Despite all this cool air, we haven't had a lot of clear weather. And I explained to you a lot of that has to do with the Great Lakes and the moisture that's coming off of them. Let's take a look at the NAM. This is the 0Z NAM run, so we got the 0Z in already, so that's good. Got the later run in. So here's the NAM, which is a little more conservative with the clouds. Doesn't have getting quite as far north. And they get pushed to the south Monday, and then we should have a clear day for Monday. And Tuesday, maybe some more clouds popping up. It's very hard because the problem is we have this northwest wind coming off the lakes. And the lakes, because they have so much heat in them, residually from the... you know what, something I'm gonna have to look at Earth and Old School for a minute. I'm curious to see if they're above normal, below normal with the water temperatures. We'll have to see that in a minute. But we need a north flow, so that's gonna be happening on Monday. And with the north flow coming less off the lakes and more off the land, you have less clouds, less moisture, so it should be clearer. You know, it's a little disappointing. I thought we would get a few more clear days, but that's always par for the course lately, it seems. So let me go and look at this. This will be the satellite here. This is the infrared satellite. So let's take a look and see what's going on here. Look at a loop and see. This will show you what's pretty much happened. You see there's some low clouds that was over our area today. We actually had a couple of flurries, believe it or not, that popped up earlier. And then these are the high clouds from that system moving to the south. The question is, Do they get up here and go over our area? I'm thinking they do. So I don't think it'll be clear tomorrow. That's, pretty much what I'm thinking. Yeah, all right, so the last thing, earthnullschool.net. We will look at some things there, and then I'll wrap up this weather update. But I do just want to keep you posted that it will get very cold tonight. So if you are in the Pine Barrens, it's going to get cold. All right, so what I want to look at is the water temperature anomalies. It doesn't really show the Great Lakes. It's the only thing. It doesn't really show the Great Lakes. It does show, you can see this stripe of really warm water. The oceans have cooled down quite a bit, actually, which is good. As far as the lakes go, they look like they're close to average. Maybe this one's a little above average. I mean, it's not abnormal to get lake effect. It's just, sometimes you just get these clouds that come off the lakes. You need a very strong high pressure system to suppress that, which we don't have in place. We're kind of in a cyclonic flow. So that's probably why we're not getting the clear skies that we would have liked. But anyway, hopefully we will sometime this week. And we'll just go to air. We can look at air temperature anomalies too, actually. Look at that. Let's see what it just shows. Let's see if it does. It does show the temperature. Let's just look at the air. We'll wrap it up with looking at the air temperature. So I'll show you where the cool air is. You can see the cool air is all over here. Nothing absolutely record-breaking, but definitely about 10 degrees below normal. And this gives you pretty much a look at what's going on. So that will wrap up this weather update. Hopefully we do get some clear skies in here. Get rid of some of these clouds that have been dogging us for a while. But anyway, that's going to be it. Take care, and thank you for watching.